This is the Dominion Off-Road in-cab air coupler installation video. First thing that we're going to start with is go ahead and install the in-cab air coupler bracket. You're going to remove, using a T30 Torx, you're going to remove one fastener. There's a lot of waterproofing sealant on there, just go ahead and leave that on there. Then remove the second fastener. Spin the bracket up into place. Go ahead and tighten up both fasteners. And next we're going to go over to the workbench to demonstrate the rest of the installation. So once you have your in-cab air coupler bracket installed in the Jeep, you're going to go ahead and pre-assemble the entire brass fittings and couplers assembly, including the hose. And for installing this hose, you're just going to push it on to the compression fitting and then use this compression sleeve, and don't just tighten this compression sleeve to where it's tight. You want to go all the way until it stops turning. So now that you have your entire assembly finished, including the hose, you're going to go ahead and thread the hose through the coupler bracket, through the lock washer, and through the bulkhead fitting nut. Run the entire hose assembly through the bracket, and then using the bulkhead fitting nut, go ahead and tighten up the assembly. And that's all there is to it.